Hello and welcome to FIELDBOSS. In this video, we will be explaining cases and case management. Cases store information about inbound requests from customers for work to be performed. Some common examples of cases are service calls, mechanical problems, and entrapments. To set up a new case, simply click the New Case button on the top navigation bar. Fill in the title field with a concise description of the issue. Then enter the building location, the account number, the device, if it is applicable, as well as the case type. Then click Save. You can enter data in more of the advanced fields as well, such as the priority field, the PO number, and you can even type a short description of the situation which led to the case arising. You can also filter cases by any of the fields or columns on the top of the screen by clicking the small downwards arrow to the right of the field you wish to filter by. For example, say I wanted to see only entrapment case types. I would click the downwards arrow beside the case type field, then search for entrapments in the drop-down that emerges after I click the Filter By button. After I'm done, I will click Apply, and now I should have a list of cases that are classified as entrapments. You can also layer filters on top of each other. For example, if I only wanted to see entrapment cases for 23 LaSalle Boulevard, I would click the downward arrow beside the building location field, click the Filter By button, enter the relevant address, and then click Apply. You can also create new case types if you find that the standard list of case types does not fully capture the work that you or your workers do. To do this, click the FIELDBOSS button at the bottom left corner of the screen, then to the FIELDBOSS settings button in the menu that emerges. You should now be in the Case Types tab. Once you are in this tab, you should click the New button, then type in the name of the case type that you wish to add. Once you are done, click Save. If we now navigate back to the Cases tab, we should be able to create cases using the new type we just created. You should now feel comfortable setting up cases, filtering the cases view, and creating case types. Check out some of our other videos to learn about field requests and the FIELDBOSS schedule board. This has been Cases and Case Management for FIELDBOSS. See you in the next video.